Folks, my name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to be showing you an Arctic Fox. This is the 35Z. This is their luxury flagship for the Arctic Fox, built up in La Grande, Oregon by Northwood RV. Let's go inside and take a look inside at some of the features. Folks, Arctic Fox is one of our best insulated coaches. Like I said, it's built up in La Grande, Oregon. This is the largest coach they build. This is your kitchen. You've got the microwave convection oven, 3-burner gas range, gas oven. It's got the 18 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator with adjustable temperature. Solid counter surfaces. It's got nice large residential style stainless steel sinks. With nice fixtures, kind of the copper or colored. It's got the electric fireplace heater. Nice TV, DVD, entertainment system. It's got a lot of storage here. All your drawers are on residential style metal drawer guides. It's got a lot of storage. Two nice recliners in the back, storage above, a fantastic fan, nice sofa. And this is Thomas Paine Furniture reclining sofas. It has day-night shades, dual pane windows. You've got a ceiling fan. It's a nice feature. As you walk in the door, you do have a coat closet. Your control panel right here. It's got a solar panel on board, just a small solar panel to keep your batteries charged up. Nice open staircase going up into your master suite. King size bed. Has storage over here on this side of the bed. Of course, you've got a fantastic fan with remote control. Windows on each side of the bed for nice cross ventilation. Nice cedar lined wardrobe. It is plumbed for a washer and dryer combo. Set of Chester drawers, place for your TV. Do have a skylight above the bed. It's got access into your bathroom here. Nice corner shower. Lighted makeup mirror. Nice vanity, porcelain toilet, more storage, another second vanity on this side. Folks, this is a very well built coach. We've been proud to sell Arctic Fox. We were one of Ron Nash's first dealers many years ago. It's a great coach, very well insulated. Let's go outside and take a look at some of the features outside. Arctic Fox puts Goodyear tires, and they're actually Goodyear tires that are built here in the United States. Quality tires. It's got the new aluminum steps. You've got your larger propane cylinders, both located on one side, easy to access. Moride hitch pin. Nice LED lights on the front. Your batteries are on a slide tray. It's set for 2 of them. It's got the electric level up system located right inside the bay here. Your docking station with your outside shower, battery disconnect, black water flush, winterizing valve, and water bypass are all centrally located right here. And this coach comes standard with a 16-gallon hot water heater. Very nice feature. Does have a ladder to access your roof and a rear fiberglass cap. Your power cord is on an electric grill. Very nice, very easy to operate. Folks, once again, this is the 2018 35Z. We do have a full lineup of all the Arctic Foxes in stock. Please give me a call, Rich White, at 541-521-8914. Thanks for your time.